Afros the Assassin, back with another banger. So I'm gonna be installing these LED interior license plate lights or whatnot. It's a special birthday edition. And give you a few more updates here and there that I've done off camera. All right, let's get right into it. Bow. So I've already installed these interior dome lights. Right here, I'm gonna simply give you a brief instruction on exactly what I did to pop out the originals and get the new ones in. So pretty simple, you just pop that out and then just pull, I think there's another tab right here. Just boom. Now, I've already changed this one out, but just for installation purposes, I wanted to show you how to get that out. And pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop that back in. I'm gonna move on to the back of the car where the license plate lights are and go ahead and continue the installation. Now this is an Amazon kit that I got, and it came with, I don't know if it focus, 2 front map dome lights. I've already installed those. It also comes with a glove box light, a trunk light, a spare light, and the license plate lights. All right, so those of you who follow my Instagram already know I've installed the ARCAR head unit, Tesla screen. I've also managed to install these carbon fiber paddle shifters. Now, I have an issue with them, and I'm gonna save that for review, maybe a quick video, and just a quick rundown on why I dislike them. But just wanted to let you know those are the few upgrades that I've done off camera. All right, let's get to the license plate lights and finish this out. All right, so right up in there, you'll see that tab. You're just gonna push it in. See if I could one-hand it. Nope, I don't think I can. There you go. Yeah, just push it to the side, pop it out. Do the same thing on the other side. Pop out. Easy peasy. And you simply just twist it off, pull it out, and then you can go ahead and remove this. That was pretty easy. And then just pop the new one in, just like that. And then screw it back into the housing. Too easy, too easy. Now, on the other side, I got a backup camera that I'm gonna pair up to the ARCAR system, but I wanted to save myself a little time, just do it now. And then I'll run those wire attachments later on, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. But I'm just gonna put the bulb in there, push the wire up so it hangs down inside the bumper. Yeah, hold on. That was 20 bucks on Amazon or so. I have a replacement light coming, and actually I'm gonna replace this whole bumper, so this is just for demonstration purposes. I'll go ahead and turn that on and let you see how that looks, but that's it. All right, so here's where I'm at. That yeah, don't worry about it. That LED interior really pops inside. Now, you guys are probably wondering why I haven't shown you part 2 of this install for the seats. And reason being is I still have my stock passenger seat in, and the reason that's in there still is that the frame rail attachments for this did not fit. The bolts didn't line up to the 2 rear bolts, so they're unattached. And I had to confirm a frame that would fit before I went ahead and finished out that install video. So, I mean, it's pretty. I like it. I like the way it pops in here. Let me try to get a shot of the interior with the, yeah, that's amazing in here. It definitely, yeah, absolutely 100%. Now, that's awesome. The way it lights it up. I'll try to get a shot of it at nighttime. So if you're oriented facing the car, when you go to do this trunk light, it is on the left, and there's a little notch right here. We all know about it. You just notch it out, and you can get under it, pop it out, bam, easy peasy. And you just pop that bulb out. I'm trying to do it one-handed. Cool. That's that. I'll get the LED one and pop it in, and all right, that popped right in, easy peasy, and you just simply pop it back in the same way. Yeah, my trunk's a bit filthy. Go suck a dick. Yeah, and that's that. So I just want to clarify something I said earlier about these seats, about the brackets. Now, the brackets bolt up to the vehicle just fine, but they didn't bolt up to these frame rails. So I have to find brackets that bolt up to the frame rails to put this second seat in. And that's why I'm sitting mismatched right now. I'm waiting on a bracket or a pair of brackets to come in so I can get that situated. And then I'll do the much anticipated video release part 2 of me putting these seats in. Sorry guys, I apologize, but that's just what it is. Okay, so now this is for all you Hawkeye motherfuckers that peep game on the video and notice that a couple of my gauges were missing. That's because, yeah, you guessed it, I ripped them the fuck out in favor of some aftermarket ones. I don't know how well it's gonna work. I'm trying to decide if I want to go cheapo creepo or put on my big boy pants and get some expensive gauges, toss them up there. Not sure yet. I still got the plastic on the R-Car screen. So yeah, that's how she stands right now. With the gauges out.